Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable screen recording on Onyx Boox Poke 2. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen. Inside you should be able to find screen recording right here. If not, you can click on this pen button, that way you'll be able to add screen recording from the bottom up right there. Now let's go back. And here we can select the screen recording. Now there's this pop-up right here that you can start recording with. And in case you want to stop it, you can click right here as well. Now to disable it, you can click on the X button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.